Hi guys, Gina here with layout number 9 in my Page Kits with Scraps series. And this is a companion page to the one I did the last video, number 8, when they went to Comic-Con. So I matted all of my photos on black paper. It's not cardstock quality or cardstock weight, but it's just black solid 8.5 by 11 paper that I get from Michaels, the ones that are usually like 3 for $10. So I just matted it on that paper, all the photos. And this is a piece of gray paper with the darker gray hearts. I'm just inking the edges to make it separate a little bit from the background I have there, that turquoise. So just adding all my photos right to the middle. The other layout was kind of more the busier one. It's going to come in here a minute ago because I want to take a look and see what other elements I use to kind of have them go a little bit so it has the same colors and stuff on it. So I'm adding I added a yellow piece that I made into a banner and then a piece of a frame. And I'm cutting that down because I'm going to mat it on black cardstock. And using my ATG for all my adhesive. So that was a little off, but I'm okay with that. I didn't want to risk ripping the paper. So that's the other sheet that I have, the other layout that I had made about them going to Comic-Con. And yeah, I don't know, I just wanted to show you. And then this is the companion where they're walking around and they're seeing the panel. And of course, little Olivia, she couldn't make it through, so she decided to take a little nap. So yeah. Then that just says lovely, that piece, I just cut it. It says fun starts here. And I'm finding I have to use more adhesive. I don't know if it's because it's so cold down here in the basement. But yeah, I have to add more adhesive. I got to remember to do that. So there I just added a little Project Life card. No, I cut it down. It was a journaling piece that I cut down and matted on black. And you can see I put that arrow there under lovely, but it's going to go on top in a minute. I'm going to move it. There's a piece of like I cut apart from one of the other pattern papers that I had in my stash, and it says I'm going to give this one, and it has, you know, to put how many stars you give it. So I'll just color in the 5th star. See, that one just kept coming up. I don't know why. And my ATG isn't old or anything like that, so I don't know what's going on. So just taking the edge of that heart. I'm going to put down there where it is, and then that's where I'm going to move the arrow to point to fun starts here. So this one was really simple. I think I'm just going to add a couple more pieces and I'm going to be done. So there's a tag with yellow that I tried up there, but I didn't like it. And I'm actually just going to put the title up there after I add a little piece of the camera paper in a sec. So I add a little ticket and that little banner piece. And these are all things I just cut from, you know, different little scraps I had. It wasn't necessarily an embellishment that I bought or anything like that. So you can do that. Saves money. Make your own little things. That one did, it says love this. It's a little sticker. And then I'm trying to see if I could put that anywhere else. I don't think it ended up. No, that didn't end up on the layout. So that's where I'm just coloring the 5 stars. I think I should Yeah, I'm going to color in all of them. I don't think on film though. Yeah, I don't get to that. I'm like, oh, let me finish. I always try to make short videos, but it just never, I don't know. They just never come out too short. So that pretty piece was from an 8.5 by 11 page, piece of paper rather, pattern paper. So I just added that there, and then I'm going to put the title on top. I don't know if I'm going to do it now. And it's just going to be Comic-Con 2018. So I put the date first in those alphas, and I think I might do it on the bottom, and then I change my mind. And I end up putting it up there by those cameras on the right. And I know I'm going to add some enamel dots. No, I'm not. I'm using those Nuvo drops. That's what I did with this layout. So they're fine as long as you let them dry all the way before you touch them or put anything on them. So those are the My Mind's Eye thickers. They're for Halloween, but I like them for everything else. So it's just going to be Comic-Con 2018. Off camera, I'll probably glue it down to make you sit and watch me. Then I'll put on the Nuvo drops, and I'll color in those 5 stars, and then just put the little bit of journaling that I have, and a little bit of yellow sprinkles, which you kind of don't really see on the camera, but I could see them in person. And I think that'll do it for this layout. Yeah, there's my Nuvo drops. And I thank you so much for watching, and I will see you at the next video. Bye.